Hey there, BRZ and GT86 and enthusiasts! Are you looking to give your Subaru BRZ an extra touch of style and coolness? Well, you've come to the right place. Smash that subscribe button. The first step in making your BRZ look cool is to enhance its exterior appearance. Consider installing a sleek body kit to give it a more aggressive stance. You can also add a stylish spoiler to improve aerodynamics and give your BRZ a sportier look. Don't forget to upgrade your wheels. Choose a set that complements the car's design and adds a touch of flair. One of the quickest ways to make your BRZ stand out is with a custom wrap. It's cheap and effective, whether you prefer a bold color that demands attention or a unique matte finish. A fresh coat of paint can completely transform the look of your car. Get creative and let your personality shine through with a paint job that reflects your style. Upgrade your BRZ's lighting for added style and functionality. Consider installing LED headlights and taillights for improved visibility and a modern look. You can also add underglow lighting to give your car a futuristic vibe. With the right lighting upgrades, your BRZ will look cool whether it's cruising down the street or parked at a car show. While making your BRZ look cool is important, don't forget about performance upgrades that can enhance both its looks and driving experience. Consider installing a cold air intake, performance exhaust system, or a turbocharger to give your BRZ an extra boost of power and a more aggressive exhaust note. That's all for today. Smash that subscribe button.